Before we dive in, make sure to check out NordVPN. Link in the description below to stay safe online. Today we're breaking down Visible, Verizon's all-digital prepaid MVNO. It promises unlimited data, simplicity, big savings, but is it worth switching to? Here's the setup. Two main plans, the $25 basic plan and the $45 Visible Plus. Both run on Verizon's 5G ready network. The Plus plan adds 50 GB of premium data, faster hotspots, speeds, smartwatch support, and a global pass day for international roaming. The pros, affordable unlimited plans. Basic or premium, you can pick what fits. You get Verizon level coverage, even in rural areas. You get hotspot and roaming perks, hotspot included, plus Canada, Mexico talk, and global pass. And you get referral credits and annual plans. Bring a friend or pay up front for extra savings. The cons, you got data deprioritization during congestion, basic plan may slow down. Chat-only support, no phone lines or in-store help, and activation hiccups, eSIM issues, SIM delays reported. What are users saying? I traveled the States, everything worked rather smoothly. Visible was good, not great, support sucks. Bottom line, Visible is a stellar value if you want easy to understand unlimited 5G on Verizon's network, especially on the Plus plan. Just know that you might hit slower speeds during peak times and you will need to rely on chat support for help. Tried Visible? Drop your experience below. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest, no fluff reviews like this one.